Ways to do a natural colon cleanse at home. 1. Water flush. Drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated is a great way to regulate digestion. People who support a water flush for colon cleansing recommend drinking 6 to 8 glasses of lukewarm water per day. Also try eating plenty of foods high in water content. This includes fruits and vegetables like watermelons, tomatoes, lettuce, and celery. In fact, there are lots of foods that help cleanse the colon naturally through diet. 2. Saltwater flush. You can also try a saltwater flush. This is especially recommended for people experiencing constipation and irregularity. A 2010 study showed saltwater could possibly clear the colon when paired with certain yoga poses. Before eating in the morning, mix 2 teaspoons salt with lukewarm water. Sea salt or Himalayan salt is recommended. Drink water quickly on an empty stomach, and in a few minutes, you'll probably feel an urge to go to the bathroom. Do this in the morning and in the evening, and make sure to stay home near the bathroom for a while after the cleanse. You may need to go to the bathroom multiple times. 3. High fiber diet. Fiber is an essential macronutrient often overlooked in the diet. It's found in whole, healthy plant foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, and more. Plants contain cellulose and fibers that help bulk up excess matter in the colon. They also regulate constipation and overactive bowels, while boosting helpful bacteria as a prebiotic. Make sure to eat plenty of high-fiber foods, which help a healthy colon. They can also be great for gut bacteria too.